I've got the trick from another YouTuber. It's kind of cool, but I upgraded it a little bit. Hi everyone. Today I'll be using some drywalls to give a smooth surface to the ceiling, and I'll make it a little bit different. I'm using those really low profile, those really low profile things, and you screw them directly to the ceiling, or you don't directly screw them. You use such specific nails so that they can so they are safe on the ceiling. Also, that in an event that the whole building burns, your whole ceiling won't fall down on you. And yeah, I'm using those because we don't have that of a high ceiling here. It's like 250 centimeters, and the reason why I'm doing it is because we do not want to lose as much height as possible, because it gives a kind of weird feeling when you're in here and the ceiling is kind of too low. I mean, I'm not that big person, but others will have a problem, and if I have a problem, most of the people I know are bigger than me, so they will have a problem. I mean, it doesn't matter. In the end, it's our house, so it doesn't matter. But still, it should be a good feeling when we're here. I'll show it to you. It's like you've got this profile. This thing here is 50 millimeters. This is a normal drywall plate thing, and it's 12 millimeters, so you won't lose really that much. You still can fetch some cables through here, but that's really difficult. So it's mostly just to have a smooth surface in the ceiling. Yeah, let's see how far I come. So hi guys, this is a few hours later, and mostly everything is done. Tomorrow I'll screw in the drywall to the ceiling, and that's what it looks like right now. Let's change the camera setting. The drywall to be set up like in this shape of way, which we are having here. Hi everyone, it's day 2. Now I'll hang up the drywalls, or I mount the drywalls to the ceiling. Mostly all of my information and learning I've got from YouTube videos, so this will be kind of interesting. I already did it in a different room. Let me show it to you. Like here. And it was kind of okay, but here I've used a different system. Here I've used a different system where there are a few elements between that. I'll link it somewhere down so you have a more understanding behind that. But yeah, I can show you right here. The system I used. Here, mounted to the ceiling. I can navigate it or put it in a perfect. I don't know what the English word is. Doesn't matter. Put it so that it's completely fine, and mounted it here, so I've got my hands free. I've got the trick from another YouTuber. It's kind of cool, but I upgraded it a little bit. Like, as you can see, there's a magnet. There is a magnet. You can push it in, and it holds by itself. And then I can see exactly where the line. Let me turn it around. Here you can see it kind of there. The green laser, and where the line should be. If that matches, I've got everything in a perfect smooth way, and I can screw it into. Well then, see you later.